is a small mini generator. Electricity can be generated automatically with water. Don't look at this thing in tatters. There's a lot of practicality. Lighting, electric fan, cell phone charging, no problem at all. Can drive the ordinary electrical appliances in the home. Next, I will share with you the production process. This is the motor removed from the washing machine. Weld a long iron rod to the motor shaft by electric welding. 1 PVC water pipe. Plug both ends of the water pipe with the water pipe cap. Cut off sections of a waste pipe. Split in half in the middle. Mark the water pipe with a pen. Use an electric iron to open along the marked area. Clip the cutout pipe onto the cutout pipe. Apply hot melt adhesive to secure. In the shape of a propeller. Get a plastic shell and put it over the motor to make a shield. Secure with wire, mainly to prevent water from entering the motor. Install the finished propeller on the motor extension shaft. Apply hot melt adhesive for fixing. Got a couple of iron pipes. Attach the motor to the iron pipe as shown in the video. Attach a small motor that is also made to the other side. This is a bathtub. Put the installed motor into the bowl. Fix the position of the water pipe. Connect the wires of the two motors. Wrap the insulating glue. Connect a transformer and a plug-in bank. Find some home appliances. Turn on the water first. Plug in the fan. Plug in the light. Finally connect the charger to the plug-in bank, and you can charge your phone. Do you like a mini generator for home use like this? It's especially useful when there's a power outage.